Hi guys, back again. Do another quick tutorial on how to make a WordPress site. This is for if you're doing a business. If you have a business and you really don't want to have anybody posting or deal with posts, or it's not really a blog, I'm going to show you how to do that here. We're going to go in your dashboard. You should go under themes, and that's going to be under appearance. Under appearance, you go to themes, and this is right after you installed WordPress on your through GoDaddy or whatever server you have. Once you hit themes, you should have a whole bunch of different themes pop up. There we go. Right now, this Divi, I actually downloaded that, so don't worry about that. Let's say we have 2015. You want to go down to it, and you hover over it. Let's go to 2014 for now. All right, say we want this theme. We're going to go down here, and we're going to hit activate it. And you should have your theme should be activated. You can always view it by clicking up here, going down to visit site. I like to open it in a new tab, so right click, open link in a new tab, and this is basically what our website's looking at right now. Basic, says hello world. That's actually a post from WordPress. They always put that in there. But if we have a business site, we want to have a static page. So before we start adding posts and pages and everything like that, let's go ahead and do that. So I already made a couple of pages here, which I'll show you how to make in a second. But we want to go down. Let's go back to our dashboard. And you want to roll down, go down to the settings. Okay, let's click on that. And we want to go down to reading. Okay, you can click on reading. And right now, the front page, that's basically your home page, is showing your latest posts. So we don't want that. We want to have a business page where people go to the page they first go to is actually, you know, your home page. So we're going to select a static page, and then now you could either have a static page from posts that you do if you're doing a blog, but we're not. So we're going to select from a page. So I have 3 pages here. We're going to use our about page to be our home page, and then we're going to go down and save the changes. So right now, this is our home page. It's actually the post. After that sets, what we could do is just preview the home page. And there you go. Here's our about page. Okay? So, let's go back and show you how to create a page. Over on the left-hand side, we'll go down to pages, and you can add new. And what we're going to do, we're going to actually make a home page. Home. You type your title of your page goes up here, and you want to be descriptive as possible, especially when you want to do search engine rankings. Home obviously could be home, but if you have something that, you know, you're selling skateboards, you know, you want to put skateboards in there. You don't want to have anything else that's misleading. You want to have all your keywords, so Google, Yahoo, Bing, all the search engines could read it properly. So you want to make sure you always label that page correctly. All right, so we got home. This is where your text would go. You know, we are a business that provides skateboards. And you'd explain what your business is. Okay. Once you have your name, you got your text there. You can scroll down a little bit. It's not over here to your right. You're going to be no parent, okay, because it's going to be the home page. And we're going to hit publish. All right. You could also, if you don't want to publish it, you could always do a preview. And let's do a preview. Let's take a look at what that is. There's your home page. This is where your text would go, and that's basically it. You can also add here. You can add media, pictures. You can also insert links and just make it as much as you want. But for the basics, to make a page, that's how we do it. I like the way it looks. Let's hit publish. Now let's go back to our static page. Let's go back to reading under settings. Alright, and let's make our front page home. And save that there. So now, every time you go to home, let's just test if we were going to go to visit it normally. Boom, brings us right to the home page here. Also, if you notice that our menu, the home came up here in our menu. Okay, so if you want your home page to be over where the about is, there's a way to change that too. So let's go ahead and see how we could do that. Let's go to under appearance, go into menus, let's double click that. And we're going to create a menu. So top menu. Alright. It's asking if you want to auto add pages. That means every time you create a page, it'll automatically pop up on the menu. Sure. And this is where the location of the menu is going to be. It's going to be on the top or it's going to be on the side. I'm going to say this is going to be our top one. So let's go ahead and save that menu. And now let's start adding the pages. So let's get home in there. Let's get all these in there. Add those to the menu. Now this is where you could drag and drop. So if I wanted home to be on the end, I could do it that way, but I want it to be in the front. And then I want about next to be the home. And I like the way that looks. Let's save the menu. And let's take a look at our changes. So if you notice our home is in the middle here, let's go ahead and refresh that page. Yep, there we go. Home, about, Sweet 16. So what's kind of really cool is you could also put, say I want the about to be underneath the home. All you'd have to do is go back to your menus. And let's take about, and you just move it over to a little bit to the left, and now it's actually under the home. It even says sub item there. Let's save that and take a look at what we got. So now it disappeared, but there it is. About is right underneath the home. Alright, that's just a quick tutorial. We're going to keep following these with more, but I hope you like it. Subscribe. I'm going to have plenty more videos coming out. I'm going to show you how to build a website from scratch. Alright, well, have a good one, and I will talk to you guys later.